Hey, welcome back everybody. Here we are at CES 2026, and right here, now this is the actually made by Segway. This is the Navimow, and these are robotic lawn mowers, which is pretty nice. If you guys got some lawn and you guys don't want to actually do any of them lawn mowing and stuff, these are actually looks pretty good. You can just let it go on its own, program it, and these work pretty good. And these are all robotic. They have different model numbers and different types, but they do have a whole fleet of them. And these will actually work if you just kind of want to relax and just let it do its thing. You can just let it mow your grass, and also it all depends. Also, some cover more square footage depending on the type you get, the model, because they have different battery lives. They do pretty good as they climb over obstacles, as you guys can see here, and it does pretty good. So yeah, this is also the robotic lawnmower. Here at CES 2026. And as we walk through here, you can see the crowds in the entrance here. And we're gonna just probably be heading over here to LG Electronics, and maybe we can stop by others. But in the meantime, we are gonna be doing some of the video with the Ace Pro 2. We've been testing that one out, and it's been actually working pretty good because it does 8K as well. So yeah, that's just see. Hopefully that this videos come out good in low light as well. So we'll be also stopping by at the Insta360 booth and checking that out, see what they have, and maybe they have some other goodies in there. So here we are at the LG booth, and again they brought some TVs here. Normally they have a big display, and it looks like this year they're kind of condensed it to just a little section with their new OLED TVs. These that are actually announcing the G6 and the C6. That one's ultra thin. They consider the ultra thin wallpaper OLEDs. These are actually the world's first 4K 120 also gigahertz cloud gaming TVs. So which is pretty nice if you're a gamer. But yeah, again, normally they have a big display, and these are all OLED TVs that are much brighter. Then they have a primary RGB tandem 2.0 display panel that gives you a much better brightness and better picture. And also the G5, they have a 20% increase in brightness for that one. And these also feature some reflection-free premium tech as well for the G6, if I believe. So we'll have to take a look more, but it's got a lower, like a 0.5% screen reflectance of it. So yeah, these are some great TVs from LG. Let's continue and we'll see what it has. Maybe we can take a quick look. Here you guys can see this is the wallpaper TV. This is a nice OLED type. It's similar to like Samsung's frame TVs, but these are very, very thin. I believe these actually look thinner than the Samsung frame TVs, but the OLED looks very nice and clear. Check it out. See how thin that is? It's pretty thin. And here's another quick look at the new LG AM Micro LED TV. This is really, really bright. You guys can see here they're using the LG as a gaming. They set up a nice gaming section, and they're showing off the LG W6 TV OLED that is capable of doing up to 120 hertz. Looks pretty nice. Everybody's just gathered around here trying to think. This is an LG booth. Let's go and take a look at some of the RGB, micro RGB TVs from LG over here on this side. Let's go take a closer look.
Let's see what else they got around here.
Here is LG Micro LGB RGB. And as you can see, these are all have the Evo AI built in. It's a chip that's made by LG, and they produced this chip, and it's built into their TVs. built-in AI. This one is the Hyper Radiant Color Tech, the next OLED TV technology with the Evo AI.
OLED，这是 RGB，哪个更好？
You can see the next gen AI 3 processor, Gen 3.
6 doesn't have inputs on the battery. This one does, so you still plug in the traditional.
I'm saving this one as a good
All right,
vibe in
we
my
are
memory.
at
Drop by
Fourier
anytime for another
at
round.
CES, and check it out. We're gonna do a tic-tac-toe game here. Let's see.
Game on, my friend. Classic tic-tac-toe duel. Yours. Nice move. I didn't see that groove coming.
It's able to play with humans. It's very smart, it looks like. Let's see if we can beat this one.
I see your angle. If I slip up now, it's lights out for me.
Might be lights out.
Boards full, and we still couldn't top each other.
There it is, it's a tie. Thumbs up.
Thanks for the match game, buddy. I'm saving this one as a good vibe in my memory.
Yeah, we saw a lot of robots here at the show this time at CES. This is the real booth, actually the real hand booth. They're kind of showing off the dexterity with the new hands they're able to do, like robots to do productions, showing off how much the fingers has got. The mission is to be able to have these kind of. It's the real hand. It's able to do everything. There goes the real hand samples.
We're developing the solution for it.
They're actually able to play the piano. That's pretty good. Different models. It's got like a grip on the hand. Here he is. Let's go see some other ones on the other side. These look to be smaller hands. Right and left. It's got some grips. Yeah, but that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Very manly.
That's pretty good. Get a fist bump in
I
there.
think your hand, you have to go like this. Yeah, more inside. Yeah, there.
There goes a high five there. Wow.
Thump, thump. There you go. See?
Yeah. There you have it, a peace sign. Yeah. So yeah, that's a quick look at the real hands of real booth here. They have different hands, but these are going to be formed for production. It's
Quite heavy.
Yeah, you just wear it.
Just put it on?
Just put it on, yes.
Okay. Let's try this on. All right, let's test it out. Oh yeah, check it out. It's pretty fast too. Very fast for the reaction. With the glove. Yeah, that's pretty quick and fast. Yeah, so this is at CES 2026. Trying out the digital glove telecorporation. It has a Bluetooth motion sensing, data glove captures the poses both fingers and hands, touches hand synchronization, the movement in real time. And it is in real time. You guys can see that. Look how quick. It was very quick. Yeah, so if you guys need this, you guys can come and check it out. Go to their website, you'll find it. Thanks for watching.